Welcome to another PS5 quick tutorial. Do you really hate that beeping sound that the PS5 makes whenever you turn it on or off? Well, I guess it does annoy some people enough that Sony has added a new feature in the latest update. Yes, that is correct. You can now completely mute, turn off the beeping sound that your PS5 makes whenever you turn it off or on or put it in rest mode. Enough talking, I'll show you how to do it. Let's go. From the PS5 home screen, we're going to go over to the settings. And from here, we're going to scroll down to System. And from the settings page, we're going to scroll down to what is appropriately named beep sound. So the nice people over at Sony gave you two options here. You can adjust the volume, which is your first option here. By default, it is set on high. You could change it to medium or low. And as you're changing the settings here, you should hear your PS5 make the beeping noise. I think the low is a very nice setting. I like to be able to hear a sound whenever I turn off the PS5. Some sort of confirmation. But anyways, to completely mute the sound, this is where you go. Currently the toggle is in the off position, so turn it on, and now the beep sound should be muted. Alright, so that's the video. Hope it was helpful. See you guys later.